No, it's sweet you could do. Can we just do this already? Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes. Give you a rose as you want. You know what, my friends, don't touch her. We're happy. We are all each other. We gave you a rose. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.